Hi. Welcome to Data Analysis course. In today's class, we will be learning Introduction to Data Analysis. What is data analysis? Data analysis is the process of examining, cleaning, transforming, and interpreting data to extract meaningful insights and support decision-making. It helps businesses, organizations, and individuals make data-driven decisions based on facts rather than intuition. Key aspects of data analysis include identifying patterns and trends in data, summarizing large datasets into understandable insights, helping businesses make informed strategic decisions, supporting research and process improvements across industries. Role and responsibilities of a data analyst. A data analyst is responsible for collecting, processing, and analyzing data to help organizations make data-driven decisions. Some key responsibilities include data collection, gathering data from different sources, databases, spreadsheets, APIs, etc. Data cleaning and pre-processing. Removing errors, handling missing values, and structuring data. Data analysis, identifying trends, correlations, and key insights using statistical techniques. Data visualization, creating charts, graphs, and dashboards to communicate findings. Reporting and communication, presenting insights in reports for stakeholders. Collaboration, working with different teams, IT, marketing, finance, etc., to understand business needs. The data analysis process. The process of data analysis typically follows a structured workflow. Data collection. Gathering raw data from various sources, spreadsheets, databases, online APIs, surveys. Data cleaning. Handling missing or incorrect data, removing duplicates, and ensuring consistency. Data exploration, EDA, exploratory data analysis. Using statistical methods to understand trends and relationships in the data. Data analysis and interpretation. Applying methods such as descriptive statistics, correlation analysis, or predictive modeling. Data visualization. Presenting insights through dashboards, reports, or presentations. Decision-making and reporting. Communicating insights to stakeholders and making informed decisions. Types of data. Understanding the types of data is crucial in selecting the right analysis techniques. Structured versus unstructured data. Structured data, organized in rows and columns, e.g., databases, Excel spreadsheets. Unstructured data, raw data that is not organized, e.g., images, emails, videos, social media posts. Quantitative versus qualitative data. Quantitative data, numeric data that can be measured, e.g., sales revenue, website visitors, exam scores. Qualitative data, descriptive, non-numeric data, e.g., customer feedback, survey responses. Career paths and industry applications. Data analysts work in a variety of industries, and their skills are in high demand. Common career paths include business analyst, focuses on analyzing business performance and strategy. Financial analyst, works with financial data for forecasting and risk analysis. Marketing analyst, analyzes customer data to optimize marketing campaigns. Healthcare data analyst, helps hospitals and healthcare firms manage patient data and medical records. E-commerce/data science analyst, works on customer behavior analysis, product recommendations, and sales optimization. Industries that rely on data analysis include finance and banking, risk assessment, fraud detection. Healthcare, patient data management, disease prediction. Retail and e-commerce, customer segmentation, pricing strategies. Technology and software, user behavior analysis, product optimization. Education, student performance tracking, curriculum improvements. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.